Hey, shh.
Oh, sorry.
So we're back with Jordan's Mustang, and we're pulling the transmission to figure out why it or what's dragging. So we're gonna pull it, and then we're gonna try to crank it without the transmission in it.
Yeah, we'll run it over by hand too first.
Yeah. So we're gonna leave the bell housing, but we're gonna rip out. Rip
Pull
out.
the trans out.
Yeah, we're gonna.
You're gonna pull out.
You don't do that.
Nope.
I should probably disconnect the speedo cable too, huh?
Yeah, that sounds like the wife is good.
But yeah, I've got the drive shaft out. The shift linkages are undone. Speedo cable's next, and then we'll go from there. So hopefully by the end of the day we can figure out what our problem is.
What's your problem?
What do you think it is?
There's something dragging somewhere, and it's got to be a combination of clutch, flywheel, trans,
Yeah.
not behaving.
Is that the way the trans always feel like, the sloppiness?
Yeah, they suck.
Okay. Yeah, because every gear in this feels like neutral. Well, I'll do some of those things and then we'll get back to you.